my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry dragon fruit jello, especially with Starburst Jello that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious Starburst Strawberry Jello, these are the ingredients. I have 1 cream cheese, a little bit of vegetable oil, 1 dragon fruit, of course the strawberry Jello Starburst, and 1 strawberry Jello, a mold, and hot water. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious Jello. The holidays are here, so let's enjoy this amazing Jello at home. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my mold, and of course I have a little bit of vegetable oil that I'm going to add right on the bottom. And now I'm going to help myself with a napkin. I'm going to go ahead and grease all the bottom, the center, the edges. This is very important because when you make a Jello, you need to grease your mold, or else the Jello is going to stick to the mold, and you don't want that to happen because you make an amazing Jello, and when you want to dismold it, get it out of the mold, it sticks, and oh my god, it doesn't look pretty at all. And here I have my measuring cup. I'm going to go ahead and add hot water, and now I am ready to add this delicious and amazing Starburst Strawberry Jello. I'm going to go ahead, pour it in here in the very hot water, and I am going to mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that all the grenadine is completely dissolved. This part is very important. I know that you might be thinking, why mix it so much? Because if you don't mix it, all the grenadine is going to go to the bottom, and that's exactly what you don't want. But this flavor is amazing. The kids are really going to love this amazing flavor of Strawberry Starburst Jello. I'm going to add a cup of cold water, whisk it just a little bit, and now I am ready. I am going to go ahead and get my mold, add about 1 inch of the liquid to the bottom of the mold, take it to the refrigerator, and of course, let me continue with the other strawberry Jello. Here I am adding the water. Remember that on the description box, you're going to have the total amount of water I use and the ingredients. Here, I'm going to go ahead and whisk it really good for about 2 to 3 minutes until the Jello has dissolved completely. After that, I am going to put it aside. Let me go ahead and start with my dragon fruit. Of course, you know that I have a dragon fruit vine here at home, and I love making desserts when it's time to use all the amazing dragon fruit. Look at this. Being very careful, I'm getting the skin off because I don't want to get rid of none of that pulp. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and slice it in circles. This is so sweet, so juicy that you guys are really going to love it. Don't slice it too thin. Slice it a little bit thick, or else the circles are going to start breaking apart, and that's exactly what you don't want. Let me show you. I'm going to transfer it to this plate, being very careful that they don't break. My mouth is already watering because this dragon fruit, it's so juicy and sweet. It's just amazing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and let's see how the Jello is. It's just barely getting nice and firm, and I'm going to start adding the slices of the dragon fruit way on the bottom. Make sure that you don't tear the Jello apart. It's still not that firm,
Remember, we just kept it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. It's still wiggly, it's not firm at all, but we are able to put the slices right on the top. Right after you put the slices on the top, add a little bit of the same Jello, but be very careful. Let it drip slowly until you cover it. Make sure you don't add too much, or else the fruit is gonna float to the top, and that's exactly what you don't want. You just wanna add a little bit to it and put it back in the refrigerator. Look at this. You don't want to add too much, or else the fruit is going to go to the top, and that's exactly what you don't want. And here on my blender, I'm going to add my cream cheese, and I'm going to add the other strawberry jello. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, and then I am going to mix it completely, blend it until everything is really smooth. And it really doesn't take too long. It takes more time for the Jello to get nice and firm in the refrigerator. But believe me, after 4 hours, your Jello is going to come out amazing and delicious. And like I said, the holidays, let's enjoy this amazing Jello with our beautiful family and our loved ones. Okay, now I'm going to help myself, and I'm going to add some of the mixture here. And of course, I am ready to get the Jello out of the refrigerator. Remember, it's not too firm, so help yourself with the spatula and add the last Jello right on the top. Look at this. This Jello is going to be amazing. It's going to look beautiful. It's going to go to the refrigerator for 4 hours. After 4 hours, I'm going to wet my hands. I'm going to help myself and get the plate that I'm going to use for this Jello. I'm going to rub it. Remember, my hand is wet. And now I am ready to start pulling from the outside towards in, or use a spatula, whichever is best for you. I like first pulling it from the outside in, and then from the center, just push it down. And then if I need, I use the spatula, rub it all around, all the way to the bottom, so that the Jello starts getting loose. And now I'm ready to flip it over, and let's see how this is gonna come out. I can't wait to enjoy. Let's reveal this amazing Jello. Oh my gosh, look at this. It came out perfect. That's why you add a little bit of vegetable oil to your mold, so when you get the Jello out, it comes out amazing. Look at this. You could add some whipped cream on the side of the Jello, or even on the center of the Jello. You decide, but I'm gonna leave it just as it is. It looks beautiful, and I can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this Strawberry Starburst Dragon Fruit Jello. This is the part I really love and enjoy. This Jello is perfect for the holidays. Perfect to enjoy with your beautiful family. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks very creamy from the bottom, and the dragon fruit flavor is just amazing. Excuse me. Getting a little piece of the dragon fruit and the starburst and the strawberry, very creamy. Just perfection, made at home. you could feel the little seeds of the dragon fruit bursting in your mouth when you are enjoying this amazing Jello. I'm telling you, my friends, you need to make this amazing Jello at home. Excuse me. It came out perfect. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this amazing Jello at home with your beautiful family. The holidays are around the corner, and why not have a delicious and amazing dessert? If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family and always giving me your support. Enjoy this amazing and delicious creamy Jello at home with your beautiful family. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.